Hello, this is Tan Yao Ming. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the white lettering on the tire. It's the new tire that I bought. It was blue just now, but after I clean it, it turns white. So I'm going to show you how to do it. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more video updates in future. So let's get started. First, you need a nice sharpening stone like this and a detergent. Let me show you how I do it. Let's get started. Let's move to the other tire. That's all for today. This white lettering will get dirty one day. If it gets dirty right, you can just repeat this method to make it clean. Thanks for watching.